Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Mowers and Mower. Dewalt. Pay for that name brand, don't you? Here is their entry-level push mower for 2025. Says it's good for up to 1 acre, 150cc Briggs & Stratton engine, 21-inch cutting deck. It is self-propelled at least, but you are going to pay $399 for the pleasure of owning this yellow beast right here. If it looks similar to that, it's because it's probably made at the same factory and just spray painted a different color. Oh, but you want more? Let's move on over here. We get a slightly larger engine, 163 cc's. Does have self-propelled here, but now we're looking at $499 for this rear-wheel drive self-propelled bagger. 7.25 horsepower is what they're calling that. Now, hold on to your lunch. For just $549, why, you can have this thing for 196 cc's. And it is still self-propelled. It is still, this is still rear-wheel drive. No, we're not getting anything special here. There we go. Here it is. Is that commercial grade? Is that worth buying yellow over the Murray gray? I don't know. I want to share these three with you because this is absolutely absurd. This is why fixing your own equipment makes so much sense in 2025. If you're going to go out and drop $550 before taxes on a push mower, when you could pick up one for about 40 bucks that needs to have the carb cleaned, well, you're probably on the wrong channel. Till next time, my friends, take care.